Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, congratulations, you made it. I know everyone around you is, excited, giving you gyan, saying, doctor ban gaya or that doctor ban gayi. But let me tell you something very quietly. First year MBBS is overwhelming. It's beautiful, scary, exhausting, and exciting all at once. And that's okay. I'm not here to scare you or overhype things. I just want to tell you that what actually matters, what you really need, and what you can ignore for now. So, let's start from the basics, okay? First essential thing is apron. Apron is your first doctor wali feeling. It's not just a cloth, it's emotion. In the beginning, you'll feel awkward wearing it because you'll keep adjusting it, checking pockets, wondering if it's too long or too short. But trust me, one day you'll forget you're even wearing it. So that's when you'll feel you belong here. Simple advice, buy a comfortable cotton apron, not too heavy, not too stiff. Get your name stitched, or because in some colleges there is a rule to get a badge, a name plate, but in some other colleges there is a habit of stitching your names on the apron. It all depends on your college, your college rules and all. Keep it clean, ironed, because yes, teachers do notice. This apron will see your first practicals, first word posting, first scolding, first compliment, everything. So please do respect it. Now talking about stethoscope, please don't overthink, okay? Because everyone gets confused here, like Littmann, microtone, expensive or cheap, which one should I buy and all those things. But let me be honest, you don't need the most expensive stethoscope in first year because you're still learning where the heart sounds, and half the time you'll hear your own breathing. So relax. Microtone is more than enough for UG level. Littmann is great, no doubt, but it's okay if you buy it later. Also, label it because stethoscope magically disappear in medical colleges. Now coming to BP apparatus, it is useful but not too urgent. This is something many seniors will confuse you about. But the truth is, you don't immediately need an BP apparatus in first year. If you want to buy it, go for a manual BP apparatus. But honestly speaking, you can easily use the ones available in wards or labs. So no pressure in buying it in first year itself. Now coming to the most essential things, that is books. Please don't buy everything at once because this is very important. So listen carefully. In first year, it doesn't mean that like more books is not equal to more knowledge. In my personal opinion, for anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, you'll hear 10 different book names from 10 different people. So don't panic buy. Ask your seniors after joining your college which book suits your college and exam pattern. Some books look good, but it feels like torture to read. Choose what you can understand, not like what sounds cool and all. And remember that reading the same book multiple times is better than touching 5 books at once. And the next essential things is clothes, like formals, but make it comfortable because yes, medical colleges are strict about dressing. And formals are really important. For girls, simple kurtis, salwar, and formal tops are also okay in some north states, but it depends on your college. In our college, it is strictly prohibited for formal tops and all. There is a strict code for our college that we need to wear simple kurtis and salwar. Avoid jeans and all because I don't think I need to answer this about wearing jeans and all because your seniors will, make you understand. Coming to boys, formal shirts and trousers will be good. And at last, the most asked question, which is iPad. Is it helpful? Is it not? This is the most hyped thing right now. So let me say this clearly. iPad is not compulsory to survive MBBS, but if you can afford it, it can be very helpful. So let me say how it will help. iPad will help by making notes all in one place, and anatomy diagrams become very much easier. No heavy books to carry, and there will be easy revision anywhere. But if you don't have one, you're not behind, because many toppers use only simple notebooks and pens. Your brain matters more than your gadget, right? One last sisterly advice you can think. First year MBBS will test you. You'll feel dumb sometimes, you'll compare yourself, and you'll think, am I even good enough? But let me answer that for you. Yes, you are. The only advice I would like to give you is, don't rush, don't try to become perfect on day one. Learn slowly, stay consistent, take care of yourself. This journey is very long, and you don't have to figure everything out right now. So I'm proud of you already. Welcome to MBBS.